In this student tutorial, you'll be introduced to Electude's Engine Management Simulator.
The purpose of Electude's Engine Management Simulator is to develop diagnostic skill through the practice of realistic fault scenarios. Altogether, there are over 50 challenging, real-world problems made to be customizable by your instructor.
In addition to the fault scenarios, the simulator is also used in select lessons. Therefore, it's important for you to understand the navigation and how to perform certain functions, such as accessing tools and information, as well as removal and replacement of parts. The simulator runs inside most internet browsers for most any online device, including Macs, PCs, Chromebooks, tablets, and smartphones. The vehicle is a composite, meaning it's not based on an actual automobile, but shares the same technologies found in today's light cars and trucks, including throttle-by-wire and CAN bus communications.
From the left-hand menu, you'll find the vehicle instrument panel to start and rev the engine, a host of tools, work order, customer invoice, and detailed video tutorials on tool usage and more. Click and drag the cursor to navigate your way around the vehicle. To zoom in or out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse or the slider located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. To remove a part, zoom in closely. Click the electrical connector to disconnect it. Then click and drag the part from its location to the storage area at the bottom of the screen. To replace, click on the part while in the storage area. Then click Replace this part. Drag the new part to the correct location on the vehicle to install. There are two wiring diagrams found in the system that serve different purposes. The diagram from the left-hand menu can be printed. From this diagram, you can hover over the symbols to learn the part names, as well as replace wires by clicking on them. From the diagnostic system, the wiring diagram found here provides vehicle specifications. Where applicable, known good lab scope patterns and the conditions they were recorded under are shown.